I'm going to be talking about these pet dental finger wipes. There are 50 in a container here. These are unscented. They are non-toxic, alcohol-free, paraben-free, and can be used on your cats or your dogs. I'll be doing it on my multi-poo right here. She is going on 7 years old. She has had her teeth cleaned one time. So definitely be nice to kind of keep ahead of the tartar that's building up on her teeth already. These are a nice big size, so they should fit any finger. There are bumps on one side to kind of get in there and scrub the tartar, and then it's a little bit smoother on the other side. They do suggest just kind of letting your pets smell them first to kind of get used to that smell and just get familiar with it, so maybe they're not afraid of it. Put my finger in and kind of just start to work it in a circular motion. She's clearly not a fan of it, but got to get in there and massage. It's supposed to help soothe the gums as well if maybe they have irritated gums. Just get in those back ones and really try to clean them. Again, you can see there's a little bit of stuff here on it. Just kind of going back and forth on her front teeth here. They say circular motions. It's supposed to help their breath as well. I definitely recommend anything that can help their breath and their teeth and their overall health. So definitely give them a try.